G'day mates, Chris Moto, how you all doing? I'm super excited for today. My girlfriend and I are going to a bike course where we're going to be learning cornering and some trail braking things. So that'll be a lot of fun. It's just down the road from where I live, so thankfully it's pretty close. I think that's her arriving now. My dog's going crazy. So I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm just going to record the training session, and I think we might be going onto the track like I did for the last course I did. So if so, that'll be great, and I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, no. That's okay. The storage on the transmitter is a bit low. That's all right. Hello, hello, hello. All right, we're good. All right, awesome, and we're off. Both of us have got full fuel tanks because last time I did one of these courses, I was dangerously low. By the end, it was flashing at me because I went in with like 4 or 3 out of 6 bars. Oops. Shouldn't have done that, but thankfully I made it to the nearest gas station in time at the end of it. We both fill up our tires as well. Again, that's super important. I've said that multiple times. My bike takes 38 in the front and 42 in the back, and I need new tires in about 1,000 kilometers, 2,000 kilometers maybe. So just for a bit more grip, because we could be going on the track today, I've done 36 in the front and 40 in the back. So just a little bit less than what the manufacturer states, just hoping that I get a little bit more grip. Of course, lowering the pressures will mean that your tires wear out a bit faster, but under these circumstances, I think it's worth it because I'm changing them soon anyway. Hey, how's it going?
Good. I left the boom gate all the way to the top of the hill.
Yep.
You'll see all the bikes lined up
Okay,
there.
great. Thank you. So these are of course just our starting couple of laps to try and get used to the track. So taking it easy, everyone's learning what it looks like. And yeah, we've got a speed limit of 80 kilometers an hour around the track today. Just a 1, keep sound down, 2, keep everything safe. Not this course. I've been on the track before though.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That looked really good.
Yeah.
How hot did you come in at?
80.
80?
Yeah. Yeah. I felt pretty good the first time I did it.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah, that initial grab was a bit much, so I'm getting a bit more used to it now. I usually ride a different bike. I ride an XSR 900.
Okay.
And this is more like my fun bike, so.
It's a bit harder a bit sooner.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That looked really good. But
Awesome. Yeah, thank you. All right, awesome. Morning tea's over. And we're doing some more cornering practice. I'm not sure if we're stopping again and having another chat. We'll see about that. But I'm towards the end of the pack. Just because I was setting up all my camera and stuff, I took a little bit longer than everyone else. Cass is just up at the end of that corner there, so 3 bikes ahead of me, and yeah, this should be fun. I much prefer going around the course this way actually. This corner here is super wide and really nice. Oh, we are stopping. And yeah, this next corner here is really tight, but it curves up and to the right and is a lot of fun. That was my favorite corner when I did it on the first time.
So they said, obviously, only passing the straights, passing in the turns is way too dangerous. Maximum speed of 80, which is standard on this track, and just have fun. So that's what we'll do. Wow, that was so good. Alright, that's us done for today. A few people are staying for a later session where they do a few more track laps, but only the first little bit was subsidized, so the rest of it took a couple $100, and we spent 50 for that. So I think a couple $100 is worth a few more laps. Whew.